Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious 3-egg mushroom and cheese omelet. So let's get started. Alright, we're using a non-stick skillet today, and we're going to set our burner to medium. And we're going to put a little peanut oil in the pan, right? Alright, our pan's hot enough. Now we're going to take our cup of mushrooms, right? We're going to put that right in there. Okay, let's saute our mushrooms. Nothing like mushrooms frying in a pan. Boy, they smell good. Okay, let's season the taste. We'll add a little salt, a little bit of pepper, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. And some parsley flakes. Put them in. Okay. Now they really smell good, guys. Okay. Let's lower our burner down to medium low. And let's go ahead and take our 3 eggs, right? And we're going to put a little bit of salt in there to taste. A little bit of pepper. Some garlic powder. A tiny bit of onion powder. And some parsley flakes. Now we'll go ahead and mix them up. Give them a good stir. Beat them up good, right guys? Okay. And we're going to pour them right in there. Alright, let's cover that with a nice lid. Now this is a universal lid, guys. Boy, does that come in handy. It fits several different size pans. And it works really good. Has a little vent hole. Alright, let's cover that like that, and we'll let our eggs firm up some, and then we'll add our cheese, right? Alright, let's check our egg. It should have firmed up by now. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, let's go ahead and take our cheese and we'll put it on here. Now this is American cheese. We like our American cheese on these. You can add whatever kind of cheese you want, like Swiss or provolone, anything, right? Mozzarella. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can fold this up. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Now we'll take a little more cheese, American cheese, right? We'll fold that in half, put that right on there, just like that. And another slice of American cheese. Put that on there. Now we'll go ahead and cover that and let that cheese melt. And our delicious mushroom omelet will be done. And I can't wait to have a taste of that, because boy, does that smell good with those seasonings and everything in there, right? Alright guys, let's see how our cheese is doing. Oh yeah, that looks good. Okay, let's sprinkle that with a little more parsley flakes. Alright, put a tiny bit more salt on top. And a little bit of pepper, because we like our pepper. Beautiful. Alright guys, I can't wait to have a taste of that. So let's plate that up and have a taste. Okay guys, here's our 3-egg mushroom and cheese omelet. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice? Okay, let's get that out of there and put that right on that plate and have a taste test. Beautiful. Alright, look at that 3-egg mushroom and cheese omelet. Doesn't that look good? That makes a delicious hearty breakfast or lunch, right? Boy, does that smell good. And I can't wait to have a taste of that. With all those nice seasonings in there and everything, this is going to taste good. Alright, let's have a bite. Alright, let me cut this right in half, like this. Look at that. Beautiful. Let me see if I can turn this so I can show it to you. Let me get under this piece and show you a cross section. Look at this. Look at those mushrooms in there, guys. Wow. Okay. I can't wait to have a taste of that. Okay, let's go ahead and have a bite. Look at this, guys. Can you see that? That's just beautiful looking. Look at all those mushrooms in there. Okay. Let me go ahead and have a bite, because I can't wait any longer, guys. Alright. Is that delicious? Now, these are quick and easy to make, but they are tasty. And somehow I just like sauteed mushrooms in my omelet sometimes, right? With a little bit of seasoning. Boy, are they good. Alright, you know what would go good with this, since I'm having this for a nice breakfast? A delicious pot of coffee, right? That really does sound good. Alright, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious 3-egg mushroom and cheese omelet. That's what's for breakfast today. And that really does sound good. Yep. I just have to have another little bite. Look at that, guys. Oh, yeah. Okay. That's really tasty. Enjoy, and I'll catch you on the next one.